This smart door lock T1 powered by a Weber. The first feature is fingerprint sensor designed on the handle lock, which can recognize your fingerprint within 0.3 seconds. And then you can use the second way to unlock the door by password and also support keys. Okay, and then the battery can stand by 500 days. Sometimes, once the battery below 20% of the battery, your cell phone will get a notification to inform you the battery should be replaced. Sometimes, if the battery power off and you forgot the keys, then you can use the power cable Type-C to connect this Type-C port to power the lock and then to unlock the door. Meanwhile, this smart door lock T1 already built in the alarm, so also can work with our Wi-Fi alarm gateway. Then you can check the unlock history record from the app. Pressing this Bluetooth setting button, you can configure with the phone to access the internet. And this is the reset hold to reset the smart lock. The handle can lock the door from the side.